Hello, mathematical literacy learners. Oh, I haven't done a video in a while. I'm busy and I'm really sorry, but I have to respond to this because it's been asked so many times now. Here we go. How to calculate the tax threshold. Okay, it's really not that hard when you know how to. You're gonna see my gown. Anyway, here's what we do. We use the tax rebates to calculate the tax threshold. And we take the tax rebate and we divide it by the income tax rate on the first row. And it happens to be 18%. So please don't memorize that it's 18%. You go and read it from the first row. So let's take somebody who's under the age of 65. The tax rebate for somebody who's under the age of 65 is 16,425 rand. So how do we get the tax threshold? We say tax threshold is equal to 16,000 rands 425, is it 5 or 4? 25, and we divide by 18%, and that should give you the answer. Ooh, okay, I need to adjust my stuff. Okay, there we go. And then so please note that this is 18%, not 18. So what I do is I first say 18 divided by 100, because percentage can be changed into a fraction. Remember that from grade 10? Percentage can be changed into a fraction, which is 18 out of 100. Right? So, and a fraction can be changed into a decimal, and that's 0.18. Just like we can change a fraction to a decimal fraction to a fraction. Okay, so basically this means that our 16,425 rand is being divided by 0.18. And that is 16,425 divided by 0.18. Boom. That will make it 91,250. Great. Now you go and try it on whatever question you have, and I hope yours have the tax threshold, because I can't find a question paper right now that has the tax threshold. So you'll see it'll come out right if you divide correctly. Okay, so we're going to try for somebody who is 65 years old or older than 65 but younger than 75. So how do we do that? We first have to know what their tax threshold is, what their rebates is. So somebody like that would have a rebates. Remember, rebates depends on age, will equal to 16,000. Make sure you get it all right. 16,425 plus 9,000. So the rebates for this person will be 16,425 plus 9,000, and that'll give us 25,425. So these are the rebates that a person under 75 but 65 from 65 to under 75 will receive. So here's what happens. So we're going to take the rebates and now calculate the tax threshold and say rebates tax threshold is equal to 25,425 rands divided by, we go back to our check, always check, make sure the percentage is, you use the right percentage, 18%. And remember, I said 18% can be changed into a fraction, so that's 18 divided by 100, right? Which is 0.18. That's 25,425 and 0.18. Like, you'll find that I use a lot of steps. When I was doing pure maths in high school, I used to wonder, why is math so difficult for me? Then I realized it was taught to me in a way that is supposed to be taught to like much more intelligent kids. So when I started attending extra classes with somebody who was teaching me the way I was able to grasp it, it became easier. And so I teach this way because I think this way. Okay, 25,425 divided by 0.18, and that'll be 141,250 rands. So gonna do the last one for persons 75 and older. Okay, persons 75 and older, let's go and check their rebates. There they are. So it's 16,425 plus 9,000 plus 2,999. So the rebates for a person who is 75 or older, what did I do? I didn't write older. Okay, is equal to, and then we add them all together, and that is 16,425 plus 9,000 rand plus 2,997, and you get that. So that's 16,425 plus 9,000 plus 2,997, 28,422. Okay, and then tax threshold is equal to 28,000. So we're going to say 28,422 divided by 18%. And then I know 28,422 is 18% is, let's do it one more time, 18 divided by 100. Percentage can be changed into a fraction. A fraction can be changed into a decimal. Great. So this is actually 0.18. Now I can press it nicely on the calculator. 28,422 divided by 0.18. And that is 157,900. Boo, 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 boo. Done. Bye.